the course, Web Scraping with Python. Getting started. So what is web scraping? Well, let's first see how things work without web scraping. When you want to get data from the web, you open a web page on your browser. You search for the data you need, and finally, you copy and paste text into another file on your machine. Everything is good so far. However, when the web page structure is so complicated, making it difficult to extract specific pieces of data, or when you need to open so many pages to extract data from each of them, the manual process can become boring and time-wasting. And that is when automated web scraping can make the process more efficient and effective. In this course, you will learn Python web scraping libraries you need for the course and how to install them. How to extract URLs from one web page. How to extract other text data pieces from one web page. How to crawl multiple web pages and extract data from each of them. How to handle navigation links and move to next pages. How to save your scraped data into a CSV file. And finally, a quick overview about other popular web scraping frameworks. So let's start.